So the offerings here at Cass Tech, I liked that they offered certificate programs where you can take that certificate, exit high school, and go into a real life job. I liked the opportunities that they provided for the children, the partnerships with major corporations that allowed the kids to have real life experiences while still in high school and be ready to graduate and then enter either the workforce or our college. One of the things that I also really liked was that they used to do field trips to schools. So that's how my son discovered SCAT. My oldest son is at Savannah College of Art and Design. He just completed his junior year. He is currently in New York City doing an internship with Adobe. So he's doing amazing things. The opportunities for the children that Cass offers is amazing. The environment is amazing. The teachers here actually really do care about the children and their future, and they really do want to see them succeed after high school. Hey parents, don't forget to register and enroll your child for the next school year.